Only one of the two African women candidates that raised their hand for the Western Cape bench will see that dream come into fruition. This as one made the Judicial Service Commission's resolution to fill 3 of the 4 vacancies in the court.
3 candidates have been recommended for appointment by the President, and these are the candidates. Is Advocate Mineli Wotenes, Miss Pangaka, and Miss Khalakhala.
But where did it possibly go wrong for the second aspirant African woman judge who did not make the cut? Advocate Penelope Makona-Dano's interview exposed yet again the structural issues in the legal profession and the judiciary when it comes to transformation. This as a bid to enhance her writing skills, which has been highlighted as a challenge, face barriers.
I did in fact personally recommend you for judicial training, the subject training, because I was of the view that you needed further training, more particularly with regard to your writing skills. But you didn't attend.
As I've explained to the AJP, sadly, yes, it was the cost effectiveness for me at the time, because usually those trainings the department would pay for us, but we were informed, I think, weeks before the time that actually we need, all of us now must, So I compared at the time, could I afford it? I couldn't.
While the latest additions to the Western Cape do touch on transformation, judicial watchdog Judges Matter notes that this mandate has been a struggle for the court.
The Western Cape High Court has really struggled in terms of transformation. There are many younger black lawyers who come to the bar, but the difficulty seems to be that they don't develop good practices. They don't do a wide variety of different kinds of law, and end up leaving particularly the bar after 5 or 6 years, which then has the knock-on effect that there are fewer people available to act when they're more senior, and then there are fewer people available for appointment. And this particularly impacts on black women, which then results in a bench, a very important court, often making decisions about Parliament and issues relating to legislation, that then struggles with a diversity, and that is obviously really a problem.
SABC will draw the curtains on its October 2024 leg with interviews for the Deputy Judge President of the Mpumalanga Division of the High Court and 1 vacancy in the Limpopo Division of the High Court. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.